space with KIWO's modular kitchen solution. Is your kitchen feeling a little outdated? It's time for an upgrade. 100% BWP synchronized plywood. KIWO uses high-quality, moisture-resistant plywood. This ensures durability, stability, and resistance to warping and cracking. German technology. KIWO's kitchens and wardrobes feature smooth, silent, soft-closing cabinet and wardrobe doors. This enhances user experience and reduces wear and tear. Premium modular finish. Finishing touches that elevate a modular kitchen from functional to exceptional. They combine aesthetics, durability, and ease of maintenance. Over 750 plus color combinations. KIWO offers a wide variety of color options for their kitchens, allowing customers to personalize their space according to their taste. Manufactured with precision. Our kitchens are crafted with precision and attention to detail in our own manufacturing units. This ensures top-notch quality, high-end customization, and timely delivery. Upgrade your kitchen, upgrade your life. With KIWO, you're not just buying a kitchen, you're investing in a better lifestyle.